Hi there, I'm here answering some industry relevant questions that you've sent in. Here we go. Are the findings of a private investigator admissible in court?
Court?
Absolutely, they should be, if they're legally obtained.
Is this legal?
And that's why you want to make sure that you're working with a licensed and professional investigations company.
He's got a PI license.
There are certainly individuals out there that will get information in unethical and illegal ways.
That sounds sketchy.
So you want to make sure that you're working with a licensed, experienced, and qualified investigations company so that the information that's obtained is obtained legally and can be admissible in court. So all of the services that we provide here at the Smith Investigation Agency, whether that's a locate, whether that's a background check, any of our online investigative research services, our TSEM services, or our surveillance services, everything is going to be obtained legally.
Yeah, it's legit.
And will be admissible in court. All of the reports that you receive from us, by the way, are court ready. That's not everybody in the industry does not give court ready reports. Sometimes they send a basic one out, and then if you need a court ready report, they're charging you additional money. We don't do that. We're professional from the get-go. So we want to make sure that if you need to take this to court, you have what you need right away.
You got what you wanted, what you needed.
Upon completion of the investigation. So if you're looking to hire a private investigator today, give us a call here at the Smith Investigation Agency.